We made it to our motel room at Gatlinburg. It's a pretty cute little thing. Actually, not that little, it's pretty big. This is larger than where we stayed in Hocking Hills. Hi. And we got a corner room with a really cool balcony that isn't like the coolest view in the world, but it's pretty cool. We're just getting our bearings and we're going to go explore here in a little bit. It's about 5 o'clock, so we're going to look for dinner here relatively soon. We'll take you along with us. Alright folks, we're walking downtown today to ride up the mountain and see the view, and then maybe tour Sugarland. It's like a little rainy today, but it's nice out. We're just wearing raincoats. Light jacket, it's not too cold yet. It's supposed to cool off tonight, I think, but so far it's good walking weather. Across that one. Our hotel's like 10 minutes walking from downtown, so I figure we'll walk until it starts raining. We'll probably ride the trolley back. This is Riverside Drive or River, what is it? River?
This is like the Parkway.
River Road? Oh. We're walking in the sprinkling rain now. We got a cool view now that we're in town. There's where we ate dinner last night, Land Shark. We were hoping to ride this chairlift up the mountain and see the view. Do a little hiking up there. But it's not running. It might be too windy. We'll find out if they're going to open up today. Maybe they're not open yet today. But anyway, the brewery's over there towards the foothills of that, down the end of the road there, so we may head there instead. Hang out inside when it's crappy weather. There's Cooters.
I saw that lit up last night. Is that like construction stuff getting up the hill?
Oh, going up towards that? That's another chairlift.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's like wire supports up there. See like the red?
Oh yeah, it's moving.
Oh, is it moving? It is moving.
I see the
Little yellow chairs moving. Maybe we can ride up there. We'll find out here in a little bit. So we learned it's too windy to ride the lift today, or at least right now. So we're gonna figure out another plan.
This forest walk.
Yeah, the top
There's
of the little
this
hill has a
bar
bunch of stuff to do.
Restaurant.
We could ride the coaster up there.
Is this
We could zip line.
like a food truck?
Oh yeah, places
There's
to
that
eat.
restaurant. There's ice cream.
Vista Gardens, places to walk around. So hopefully we can get up there at some point.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like the trolleys go up there, right?
Apparently so.
We'll figure something out. But this is like downtown. This is where Parkway meets the River Road. Where Margaritaville. We just came from up that way. The walk continues down the main drag. We're just kind of browsing right now since the lift was closed. We're gonna make our way towards the distillery and taste the moonshine, perhaps.
See, this pancake pantry is so busy.
Looks like one of the more popular pancake places. There must be little else to do in Gatlinburg besides eat pancakes.
It's notably one of the better
quite the line. Yeah, I think maybe we'll pass on that for
Somebody
today.
on TripAdvisor said that it wasn't worth waiting in
This
line.
seems cute. The village. You want to go in there? We're checking out the village. European style brick street. It's pretty cute. Gatlinburg has a lot of these out still, along with their Christmas lights. And pretty at night. We'll try to record a little more at nighttime. Hiking.
I'm pretty sure that's the best word.
Oh yeah. Nuts. We're sitting in this little shopping area. Cute little thing. What was this called? I forgot when we walked in.
The donut front, oh, the village.
The village. Oh, that's right. I was recording when we came. Saying hi, you can see those. We kind of laid out our plan for the day, but I don't know. What are we doing next? Distillery? Sugarland?
Yeah.
They open in 5 minutes.
They actually opened at 10.
Oh, they did? That might be our next stop, I suppose. Try some moonshine. And go from there. See if the winds die down enough to ride the chairs. That'd be cool. Maybe we can go up there after Sugarland. The rain went away. So far, it's really nice out today. Pretty comfortable weather for middle of January. While Columbus is getting a huge snowstorm. So we'll enjoy it while we can. So we head back. Resuming our walk. Here's another little kind of mall thing. Golf up on the hill. Grease another snowman. Oh, there's laser tag up there. Black light golf. I see pigeons up on the roof there.
There are definitely pigeons.
Get him. Inside Sugarland Distillery. And we had some samples. Straight from the Ripley's Museum. Tasting moonshine. We are about to have some apple pie.
Guys, do me a favor with this one, please, and thank you. You're going to pick your glass up. You're going to bring it up to your nose, and you're going to give it a nasal appraisal, okay? It'll smell like green Granny Smith apples, am I right? Now go ahead and fire it back. You swallow it down. Now, breathe in through your mouth. Green apple, right? Now breathe back out. Caramel on the finish.
Oh, that's good.
Willy Wonka did make that thing.
Yeah.
That's like Harry Potter in the secret chamber of liquor right there.
Yeah.
Everybody like that one? Yeah. You guys want to try it again?
Yeah. Sure.
Give me a yeehaw. Yeehaw. Well, yeehaw your ass back there now. It's a business, not a buffet.
It's the original sour mash. You get to try Cold Windows.
You guys do me a favor, pick this one up and smell it. Get a whiff of these nuts. Got him. All right, it's gonna smell like peanut, right? You're gonna fire it back when you get your composure, all right? And then you swallow it down. You breathe in peanut, you breathe out Concord jelly, and it's gonna finish like an old school grape Tootsie Pop right about meow.
Okay. Not as excited as I thought I'd be about it.
This one is a maple bacon Bloody Mary moonshine mixture.
Hey, maple bacon Bloody Mary, let's do it.
I'll have steady in. Trying to get a bigger one of those.
Ooh, that's really good. That is drunk tea.
We're doing a strawberry dream next.
Yeah, that would have been real bad.
All right, guys, strawberry dream, let's go.
It's 40%.
I like that. Ooh. That is delightful.
I mean,
Very delightful.
Right. Next on your list here is buttered pecan, okay? Buttered pecan is going to be like the ice cream. Reminds me of the time I got drunk with my grandma at Baskin Robbins. All right? Don't judge me. Y'all's names ain't Judy.
Baskin Robbins sounds like gold.
It's an Indiana thing. Y'all wouldn't understand, all right?
I was looking forward to this one.
It smells like a straight pecan.
Induced human burn.
We got 3 more to try. Guess I'm glad for the fan now.
Hey, buttered pecan, let's go. Enforcement, EMTs, firefighters, and every one of our first responders, people who keep us safe, so we have fun stuff like this to do together in a beautiful and free country. Get your glass up for them. I'm gonna count to 3 and we're all gonna scream USA and scare the hell out of these people behind us. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. USA! God bless America. God bless you. Do not buy a timeshare. That shit is a scam.
Stokes, we need a picture, man. We need a picture.
Get on over there.
That is good.
Thank y'all very much. Y'all be good or be good at it.
Okay, I don't have a thing.
And we got buy one get one free drinks at the bar. There is a cinnamon toast cold brew and a triple threat almond with butter pecan and whatever else was in it. It's got 3 kinds of moonshine in it.
Butterscotch, apple pie, and dark.
And they got us for 3 jars of moonshine and some Bloody Mary mix to mix our what was that? Oh, the maple bacon mixed with the Bloody Mary stuff is really good. And we got these adorable little shot glasses.
We can see the
And it's still not raining.
hills out there.
It's a beautiful day. So we, I think we're going to go from here to see if the chairs are going up the hill.
Yeah.
Or we could ride the Space Needle thing. What do they call it? It's actually right there.
Gatlinburg Space Needle? I thought that's what they said.
Did they say Space Needle? Okay. Well, we'll see you there. Alright, we made it through the rain to our next destination, Smoky Mountain Brewery. We are outside Smoky Mountain Brewery, waiting for a table.
He said he's got like a lot going on back there. He's here by himself and somewhere else here he can do it. But he's more than likely like during the weekdays.
Okay, we got our table. Smoky Mountain Brewery. It's a neat little place, pretty cozy. Nice and open. Big bar. Some good beer selection. Try the winter one. What is Bree gonna get for lunch? She doesn't know. She doesn't know. There's pizzas that look kind of good.
I was gonna say the pizza sound.
Try a burger. But we're gonna hang out here for a little bit since it's a little rainy outside. Not sure where we're going from here.